What are we making today?
We're making a New York sour today. You need 2 ounces of whiskey. Just to make a New York sour, you need to make a whiskey sour.
What makes it so New Yorky?
Because there's wine in it. Hey, look at that. It's pretty close to 2 ounces.
2 ounces of American whiskey?
We'll call it 2 ounces. It's American because it doesn't fit the legal definition of straight rye or straight bourbon. This is just lemon and simple syrup, of course.
Okay. So that was how much of each?
3/4.
3/4?
This is all review.
Right.
Because if you want to know how to make a whiskey sour,
yeah, you should have watched the whiskey
there's
sour
already a video on it. So
right.
We're gonna shake it. Till it's ice cold. It's just like frosty on the inside, or on the outside, and the inside. And then we want to strain it. We're gonna do something with an egg.
Huh.
We're gonna actually just use the egg white. If I can get only the egg white out. Perfect.
Okay.
And we're gonna dry shake that. Dry is without ice.
Okay.
So we're gonna shake it until it gives it a nice frothy, creamy texture.
So how do you know when it's done if you don't put ice in it?
If you shook it too much, it's gonna explode. So right before it explodes.
Okay. That's some very clear instructions.
Yeah. You can see how it's like sort of bubbly and
Okay.
frothy.
So is that done?
Yeah. Almost. It's almost a New York sour. We'll use this glass because it's a fancy drink and it's fun to look at.
Okay. It's like a milk.
Wow, there's like room for about an ounce of liquid in there.
Wow, it's almost like we measured it.
It's almost like we planned this. This is red wine. We're just gonna float some and spill some on the counter. And there you go. Nice New York sour. It's fun to look at, and it's even more fun to drink.
So why do we add egg white this time?
So it just creates like this creamy, rich mouthfeel. It also changes the way the drink looks. It's a lot more visually striking, which for at least a portion of the enjoyment of drinking cocktails comes from
Taking pictures.
not taking pictures, but maybe taking pictures. Also just feeling like the visuals, the aesthetic of it is
so
a big
nice.
part of the enjoyment.
So does the egg white actually get mixed into the drink, or is it just a layer of foam?
It does change the mouthfeel of the actual drink, and then it also creates a layer of foam. You wouldn't think red wine tastes good on a whiskey sour. It has a lot of the same flavors, like because it's kind of like earthy and warming, like the whiskey is. But then it adds this extra dimension of fruitiness that you don't get from just a lemon.
So does it matter what type of wine we use?
It matters a little bit. You probably shouldn't use anything that's going to change the flavor too too much and like take the flavor into a direction that's completely weird. I mean, there's no rules telling you not to, but I just think it would be weird. Doesn't matter. Just drink it. Completely changes the texture of the drink, and it's really windy, so this is gonna sound awful.
It's okay. All our videos sound awful, so.
That's true.